Hello everyone, I'm part of the infrastructure team member. In this video, we will show you how to create an organization and a project in Cuemby platform. In Cuemby platform, you are able to create an organization and add as many projects as you would like inside. To create an organization, you need to log in into the platform and go to the home page. Let's click on Create Organization and complete the name and the description. Click on Create. Now you can see the organization that you just created in the home page. Let's click on Cuemby Organization, and now you can see the Create button for the projects. Click on Create, fill the name and description fields, and you can create after that the project. Click on Create, and you can create as many projects as you require within the organizations. We successfully learned and create an organization and a project, and you can see them on the home page. If you have any doubts, please let us. See you in the next video. Thanks.